Yeah, hello Vince, this is our famous floor. Coming in, as you can see, we've got this 1 inch, well, variable height, 1 inch sharp edge here, hence the one and only time I brought a car in, it crumbled there. So we're looking to build a ramp out of concrete, thinking along the lines of a 10-to-1. So if we call this an average of 1 inch, coming out about 10 inches, and beginning a ramp up to there, and possibly putting something along the lines of this type of angle across and down, a solid one, you know what I mean, an angle there. So it's a matter of what would be the best product to create this ramp with and preparation of. So where we were then was over there, but we've also got this issue here. This is crumbling as well, where it's joined this step. What would you say is the best solution there? Just another angle iron?